You have multiple options for streamlining logistics. Allow your end users to print labels and use their own packaging. Deploy your own. Use Evercycle's return kit fulfillment service. Request on-site pickup, and more. You can even import devices, users, and addresses for bulk dispatch. Either way, it's all automatically tracked and all notifications are triggered per your workflow settings. Feel free to route some devices directly to a service provider or another location of your choice. You'll always know the details in real time. Evercycle's tracking is built specifically for the traceability of devices from the end user responsible for the device all the way through the device final destination and beyond, whether it's internal or directly to a third party. End users know what to expect with automated notifications. Admins know who exactly is supposed to ship a device, if they've received a return kit, if they have shipped a device, and if the recipient has received it. You can even see if the device has been processed, and if so, the test results and payout or service fee associated. Optionally lean on Evercycle for return kit fulfillment. It's on-demand, cost-effective, and includes intuitive end-user directions, along with protective packaging and return label. After all, the easier it is for end users to ship devices, the more likely they'll get where they need to go. Turn on end-user reminder notifications in the form of custom emails and SMS messaging to ensure faster compliance and higher return rates. You don't need to manually send notifications anymore, but you do have a log of communication for each service order.